In asexual reproduction, a single individual is the sole parent and passes copies of all its genes on to its offspring. Many single-celled organisms, and some multicellular ones, reproduce asexually. For example, a hydra can reproduce by budding and produce a genetically identical individual. Mitosis makes it possible for organisms to reproduce asexually by producing cells that carry the same genes as the parent cells. Note that all the chromosomes of the parent cell are replicated and passed on to the offspring cells. An offspring is literally a chip off the old block, since its cells are genetically identical to those of the parent. Sexual reproduction produces greater genetic variation than asexual reproduction. Each offspring inherits a particular combination of genes from two parents. So many combinations are possible that each offspring is essentially unique, differing from its siblings and both parents. Human somatic cells, most body cells, are diploid. Each somatic cell has two sets of 23 chromosomes, making a total of 46. A special kind of cell division called meiosis occurs in the ovaries and testes, producing haploid gametes, eggs and sperm, that carry only one set of 23 chromosomes each. Fertilization of an egg by a sperm combines two sets of chromosomes, producing a diploid zygote with 46 chromosomes. The life cycle is completed as the zygote develops into a sexually mature diploid adult who begins producing haploid gametes. Note that all sexual life cycles involve an alternation of diploid and haploid stages. Meiosis produces haploid gametes, and fertilization produces diploid organisms. Meiosis is essential to sex because it enables each parent to contribute one set of chromosomes, half the total, to each diploid offspring. During the interphase prior to meiosis, chromosomes replicate. Unlike mitosis, where each chromosome is on its own, in meiosis 1, homologous chromosomes pair up, and each pair separates, producing two haploid cells with their sister chromatids still joined. Meiosis 2 is like mitosis. Sister chromatids separate and four haploid cells are formed. Note that each has half the chromosomes of the parent cell. These cells differ genetically from each other and from the cells of the parents.